Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami tulip. So what you want to do first is fold your paper diagonally. Then flip your paper over and then fold it in half both ways. Now turn it over again and collapse it onto a triangle. Fold the bottom corners of the top layer up to the center line. Then do the same on the back. Then flip one flap to the right in the front and back. Fold the flaps of the top layer slightly past the center line. Then open up the left pocket and insert the right flap inside. And then do the same on the back. Then fold and unfold the bottom section from both sides. Then blow into the bottom hole to inflate and flatten the model. The bottom should be a square shape. So it should look like this. Then peel out all 4 outer layers to create the petals. There you have your own origami tulip. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.